Good morning, student. This is lecture number 2 of chapter number 2. We will discuss question number 2, first part. First part is x to the power plus x to the power 5, x to the power 3. Multiply same base. So same base means power are added. X plus 3. So it is written as x to the power 8. Okay, rest of the part are your homework. Fifth part. 5 x to the power minus 3 yz square to the power minus 2. Okay, minus 2 means it is written as like this: 5 x to the power minus 3 yz square to the power 2. Okay, now we have to square for each of the variable and constant. 5 square 25, x to the power minus 3, so x to the power minus 6, minus 3 into 2 6, y into 2 y square, y square, z square multiply by 2, so z to the power 4. So our answer is this, or we can write it as 1 upon 25 x minus 6 plus 6, or we can also write it as minus 6 y square z to the power 4 to the power minus 1. Similarly, like this, you can write it as minus 2. Form of, simply it is written as in the form of p upon q. Question number 3. What is the option that indicate the correct meaning of the given expression? 4 n cube. 4 n cube. 4 n cube is written as 4 into n into n into n. Why it is? Because n to the power 1 1 1. So same base power are added, n to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it is written as 4 n to the power 3. Okay. So option number 3rd is correct. Second part is your homework. Question number 4. Question number 4. Simplify. First part. A to the power 0, b to the power minus 2 to the power 5 upon 2a to the power minus 1. A to the power 0, that is 1. 1 into b to the power minus 2. So multiply with 1. So same number. We obtain the same number. Minus 2 to the power 5 upon 2. So a to the power 1 minus 1 is written as a to the power 1. B to the power minus 5 into 2. So a b to the power minus 10. 2 into 5 upon 2. Okay, third part. 2x square y to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 1 x square. So first x square cancel with x square. Now 2 and this 2 is written as 2 to the power 1. And this y to the power minus 2 is written as y to the power 2, or 1 upon y to the power 2. Okay, y to the power 2 into y to the power 2. Here just we have to remember, whenever we can return it as a denominator then sign change, or in the form of numerator then again sign change. 2 into 2 4, 4 upon y to the power 4. Next, fourth part. 4k square 4 to the power minus 4. So k into 4 to the power 1. 4 to the power plus 4 upon k to the power 2. Okay, sign change again. 4k square LCM. LCM of both number is 4k. This is written as 4 to the power 1 is written as 4. 4 into k square. So 4k square is our LCM. Now multiply it with this 4 into 4 and here k into k square. K into k square. 4k square cancel with this 4k square. Now we have k to the power 1 plus 2. So k to the power 3 plus 16. Here in this question we take LCM so that we can multiply this k by k square and 4 by 4 multiply with 4. Okay. Next, move to sixth part. We have sixth part minus 2 power. Okay. So this is written as 1 upon 3 x to the power minus 2 upon 2 y to the power minus 1 whole square. 1 upon. Like if you have a term, this is written in the form of, because like if we have 2 to the power minus 2, so we can write it as 1 upon, like this is 2 to the power 2. So this is 1 upon 2 to the power 2. This is like in the bracket 2 to the power minus 2 is written as 1 upon 2 to the power 2. So this is written as in this form. Okay. Now we have 1 upon 3 square 9, and x is x to the power minus 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 4 upon 2 into 2 4 y to the power minus 1 into 2 y to the power minus 2. This is solved. Now, okay, 4 y to the power minus 2 upon 9 x to the power minus 4. Now 4 upon 9 in numerical form, and y to the power minus 2 is written as 1 upon y to the power 2, and x to the power minus 4 is written as x to the power 4. So our final answer is 4 upon 9 x to the power 4 upon y to the power 2. So this is our final answer. Next, seventh part, 3 to the power minus 1 upon minus 2 to the power minus 2 and whole power minus 2. Again, if you can solve this, this is written as 1 upon 3 to the power 1, and this is written as minus 2 to the power 2 whole power minus 2. Okay, just reciprocal or the term. Now this is 4 upon 3 and 4 upon 2 to the power minus 2. Now it is written as 1 upon 4 upon 3 to the power 2. Means we have 1 upon 16 upon 9, and this is written as 9 upon 16. Okay, rest of the part are your homework in question number 4. So you have to must remember these type of manipulation, as well as you have to do practice all these questions at least once. Here 4 square equal to 16 and 3 square equal to 9. That's why it is 16 upon 9. Okay, then reciprocal of 16 upon 9 is 9 upon 16. Next question number 4. Simple but important. Sorry, question number 5. As a power of 2, express each of the following as a power of 2. 8 is written as 2 to the power 3. Next, 8 to the power x. 8 to the power x. So this is written as 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3x means this is multiplied with this 2 to the power 3x. Next we have 16 to the power x plus 3. 16 is written as 2 to the 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2 means like this. And we have x plus 3. So it is written as 2 to the power 4x plus 12. Question number 6. So that 8a cube, we have to show that 8a cube upon b square equal to 2 to the power m plus 1. 8a cube. 8a is 2 to the power m. So a cube 2 to the power m cube upon b square. b square means 2 to the power m plus 1 square. M plus 1 square, or we can directly write it as 8 into 2 to the power m or 3m upon 2 into 2m plus 1. Okay, now 8 is written as 2 to the power 3. This side is written as 2 to the power 3 multiply with 2 to the power 3m upon 2 into 2m plus 1. 2 to the power 3 same base, so power are added. 2 to the power 3 plus 3m, 3 plus 3m upon 2 to the power 2m plus 1. 3 common, 2 to the power 3 m plus 1 upon 2 to the power 2 m plus 1. Next, the last term is we have to subtract this by this term by this, or like this. If we have 2 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 2, how we can write this? 2 to the power 3 minus 2 means 2 to the power 1. Similarly here we can write this term as 2 to the power 3 m plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 2 m plus 1. Okay, so here now we can write it as 3 to the power minus 2 m plus 1. So 3 m plus 1 minus 2 m plus 1, we have m plus 1. So our answer is 2 to the power m plus 1. Hence proved. Okay, or we can write like, okay, question number 7, your homework. Okay, rest of the question from question number 8 to 13 we will discuss in next part. Thank you.